Hello my YouTube fam. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy to see you all here and truly grateful for all the love and support. Today, I'm back with another drawing video. And this time, I'm trying a different kind of flower. At first, the shape might look a little weird. But trust me, the end result is really aesthetic. So watch till the end, and if you enjoy it, come draw along with me. Your support, likes, and shares mean a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe and stay connected for more simple drawings like this.